This is our flying loft. This is Brunson's loft. This is our flying birds that we fly. It's not our stock. That's our stock loft over there, but this is our loft of our flying birds. I think there's 23 in there, Bruns?
Yeah.
A lot of grizzles and a few others in there. A couple of black ones, and there's some nice coloured birds in there. But we've got that little. Just watch out, Bruns. Okay, it's a bit dirty at the moment. We've got a yellow hen up there. We've got that little light bird there. He's like a blue bar. It's like very light, like a silver type colour compared to the other. There's a one of our bronze bars, I what we call them, like blue bars. That they got the bronze bars on them. We've got 3 of those. Big bred ones. Grizzles.
There's one.
That's a little bronze bar one there. There's one there. That might be one there too. Yep, that's one there too. So,
That one.
little dark checker. More fides.
Oh, sunshine, big Freddy.
Couple of young cockbirds up there.